This recipe is amazing, make for your breakfast or your snack. To start, in a container, add 200 grams of mozzarella, 1 box of 200 grams of sour cream, 1 cup of sweet sprinkles, remembering that my cup is 240 ml, and now mix everything very well. Taking advantage, leave the comments decide where you're watching us, so I can send you a strong hug and know where our recipe is coming from. When we get to that point, we'll start mixing with our hands, crumpling well until it turns into a dough. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to leave your like or your love and share this video with everybody. In the video, I forgot to add the salt at the beginning of the recipe, so I'm adding it now. If you don't follow our page or are not subscribed to our channel, follow us and subscribe now, because we post videos every day at 6:30 p.m. This is the ideal point. Take a small amount, the exact amount is up to you, and model in a ball shape. Today's special hug goes to Daniela from Brazil. A strong hug for you and your whole family, Daniela. Thank you for liking and commenting our videos. Now, grease a form with oil, and folks, this recipe for breakfast or at lunch is a success, and it's very quick to make. Add all the balls and remember that by taking to the oven, they will grow, and if they stick, no problem. Place in preheated oven at 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Just don't let it brown too much so they don't get hard. Our cheese bread is ready, super fast and easy to do. It looks amazing and very tasty. It's get very crispy on the outside. I'm sure everyone will love. Do it at your house and then come back here in the comments to tell us how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed. That was another little recipe from the Pure in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.